Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda CRV wiper blades. First, ensure you have your new wiper blades and a soft cloth ready. Park your vehicle on a level surface for safety. Then, carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it stays upright on its own. This prepares your vehicle for the next steps. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm's hook. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back onto the glass. Placing a thick towel on your windshield offers protection. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is firmly attached. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Before driving, test your new wipers by activating them with your vehicle's washer fluid. This ensures they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. Remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for the best possible visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.